And so viewers, for the setting that we're going to be doing today, this is the structure. This is the structure that we're going to be setting out today on this land. And yeah, how many of you know this structure? It looked familiar, right? Yeah, this is the structure we're going to be. So this is the site we are going to be working on today. This is the environment, and we trust God to give us speed today. If the skyline touch the sky. This is Fifth Tech Construction Service on your screen again, an arm of the Fifth Tech Fusion. And today we are in this site. We are going to be doing a set out today for a 3-bedroom bungalow. You will see it display on the screen. So this is just the overview of the environment, and today, since we are here for the set out, we trust God to give us speed. So mind you, I'm going to be giving you updates on how the project is going. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to always connect with us on all our social media handles. We love you. See you later today. Okay. And so viewers, for the setting that we're going to be doing today, this is the structure. This is the structure that we're going to be setting out today on this land. And yeah, how many of you know this structure? It looked familiar, right? Yeah, this is the structure we're going to be erecting, and we're going to be doing the set out of it today. So don't forget to please always do well to comment on our videos, like and share with your friends. Forgive me if I'm not showing you the floor plan, but definitely it's a confidential project, so you have to take precaution. This is somebody's project, and precaution ought to be taken. So this is the project. This is a residential structure. This is a residential building. So thank you very much. We'll definitely keep you updated on how the setting out of this project go today. So see you on our next video. I remain your one and only architect, Favor Aharame. Hi guys. Thank you very much for staying tuned so far. Just want to let you know that we are done for today. We are done with the setting out of this particular project. It's a 3-bedroom bungalow, like I said, and then the set out, as you can see, is done. So by tomorrow, we'll be commencing the excavation of this project. So you can do well to comment your thoughts on the comment section. Having our team on site, it has been a great job. Having the guys working has been awesome, and we trust God for greater grace by tomorrow to be able to excavate this particular trend that is being dug here, and then have the laying of the foundation. And I think the land was actually maximized. Honestly speaking, we still have space over this part, and then we have space this part. The land is being utilized appropriately so that we not have wastage. For instance, on the site land that we have on this part of this structure, we have the septic tank over there. Then on the other part over there, we have the water tank, and then we have about 36 feet here down to the street of this particular structure, and over here we still have about 102 down to the same street over there. You see, the land was maximized. This entire structure is seated on a landmass of about 52 by 50 feet. That is the landmass, the entire landmass that this structure is seated upon, and the environment is quite appreciating, and we trust God for grace, and we are happy that today is a success. So we'll be heading and trusting God for tomorrow.
So guys, just as the engineer rightly said, the project, this is the first day of the project, and the setting out at this stage was done successfully. You can see the engineer sweating even with his workers. Fifth Tech Construction is amazing. Take a look at how the project was done. All the lines, they mapped out appropriately. The structure was perfectly partitioned, and take a look at how blocks were used to indicate points, junctions, intersections. And at this point, wow, it is being excavated already. Look at the amazing people that came to site on that day. Oh, God bless Fifth Tech Construction Services for this amazing, beautiful excavation that it did. So guys, kindly tell us in the comment section what you think about this. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Thank you.
So we would like to see that you comment your thoughts. Help us to share this post, and do it to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Facebook, and even our TikTok and Instagram handles. Thank you very much. Once again, I'm your one and only favorite, Favor Aharame. See you on our next video. Bye.